2017 when we pulled the emergency brake. The light comes on. It took about almost 2 seconds. Gentlemen, this is a 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. For this region, it's an SE model. I got the brake hold you can see on there. It's got two words, hold and brake. My foot's off. When I get going, it doesn't show. Over here, there's no light. And one of the things we try not to do is press the emergency brake, because if you do that, you're going to hear a real loud noise. So I'm going about, let's say, 5 miles per hour, and you hear the noise. And that comes from the front of the car, not the back of the car. You really don't want to press that while going, only in an emergency. And what will happen? Oh yeah, that car's going to grab. This is my parking brake. It has a red LED indicator. I bring you to the front of the instrument panel, and it's got a park. Now, when I go into drive, right here, as you can see, I'm going into drive. No parking indicator, and I'm moving. When I go into park, my park light goes on. Do that one more time for you. I'm reversing, and I'm parking. It took about a good full second, and if I shut my car off, my lights are dimming, my immobilizer is locking, and my park light stays lit. And it goes off after so many seconds. And after about 30 seconds to a minute, all those lights will go out entirely except for the blinking light. With the Honda CR-V, it is not up to date like Toyota. I still got these lights on, and they will go off after a full minute. So there I am. I want to thank you very much for viewing. Have a great day.